Wireless internet, or Wi-Fi, has become the invisible lifeblood of our daily existence. Homes, coffee shops, airports, offices, all connecting us to a world of information, entertainment, and commerce. We rarely think about the complex web of radio waves that carry our most personal data from our devices to the internet and back again. This seamless connectivity is a modern marvel, allowing us to work from anywhere, stream movies on a whim, and stay in touch with loved ones across the globe. But this convenience comes with a hidden vulnerability. Every time you connect to a Wi-Fi network, you are opening a digital door. It is crucial to understand who might try to step through it uninvited. Our smart fridges, doorbells, TVs, all rely on that invisible stream from the router. They form an intricate Internet of Things. While efficient, it expands the attack surface. Each new device is another potential entry point, another lock for a digital burglar to pick. The convenience we cherish makes robust security more important than ever. Too often we use default passwords, see the Wi-Fi icon, and assume all is safe. Set it and forget it becomes a welcome mat for trouble. Understanding the risks is the first step to keeping our private information truly private. We will pull back the curtain on common methods, not to teach hacking, but to strengthen defense. Knowledge is your most powerful weapon. Start with that humble, blinking box in your room, your Wi-Fi router. Let's be clear, accessing a Wi-Fi network without permission is a crime. In many countries, laws like the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act prohibit intentional, unauthorized access. Breaking into Wi-Fi is digital trespassing. Offenders can monitor activity, steal personal information, and abuse your connection. Consequences can be severe: fines, probation, even jail. A compromised network can lead to identity theft, fraud, and data loss. Investigators can trace access. Curiosity is not a legal defense. Beyond law, hacking Wi-Fi violates basic privacy and trust. Our devices hold bank records, medical histories, private messages, and personal photos. Unauthorized users could reach it all. Victims first see slow speeds, then unfamiliar charges, hijacked accounts, even blackmail. Businesses can suffer losses, reputational harm, and lawsuits. One harmless intrusion can trigger cascading damage. Why the law treats it with gravity, and why everyone must understand the stakes. Use these insights only for defense. Like and subscribe for practical security steps that protect you and your community. Many attacks start with weak or default settings. Generic network names and factory passwords are easy targets if never changed. Attackers automate checks, like trying door handles on a street to see which networks are unlocked. Outdated protocols like WEP and even legacy WPA are weak. Modern protection is WPA2 or WPA3. On public or home networks, attackers may position themselves between you and the internet to intercept data. They can broadcast a malicious hotspot name similar to the real one. If you connect, traffic can be routed through them. Sensitive data, logins, card numbers, messages, can be exposed if you are not protected. When devices authenticate, certain encrypted exchanges occur. If attackers capture data from those events, they may later attempt offline guessing. Offline guessing tries many possibilities. Long, complex passwords dramatically increase the time and cost, often to impractical levels. That is why long, random passphrases remain the best defense against guessing and reused password lists. Protecting home Wi-Fi starts with a strong passphrase, at least 12 characters, longer is better. Use multiple random words, log into your router settings, select the strongest encryption available, WPA2 AES or WPA3 if your devices support it. Avoid WEP and legacy WPA. Keep firmware up to date. Updates patch security holes and reduce known backdoors. Change the administrator password, pick a neutral SSID, and disable WPS for added protection. Treat public Wi-Fi as insecure. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts on open networks. Use a reputable VPN. It creates an encrypted tunnel so local snoops see only scrambled data. Verify the exact network name with staff, and turn off auto-join for open networks to avoid imposters. Practice good hygiene. Look for HTTPS and the padlock. Keep devices and antivirus updated. Combine these habits, VPN, SSID verification, and safe browsing, to enjoy convenience without unnecessary risk. Real incidents show how fake hotspots and weak passwords harm everyday people, businesses, even infrastructure. Lessons: beware imposters. Use strong, unique passphrases and segment networks to limit blast radius. Security is a shared responsibility. Help friends, family, and neighbors strengthen their networks without judgment. Remember, accessing any network without explicit permission is illegal and unethical. Use knowledge for defense only. Understand the opponent's playbook, anticipate moves, and harden your defenses to be a difficult target. Action time. Take 10 minutes, check your router, create strong passphrases for Wi-Fi and admin, install a reputable VPN on phone and laptop. Small steps, big protection. Stay informed, stay vigilant, stay safe. A more secure digital world for one is a more secure world for all. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and share to protect someone you care about. New defensive tips weekly. See the description for YouTube audio library credits.